These are the craziest people versus nature fails on the internet, but they get progressively more extreme as the video goes on. This guy had a close call with a fish.
Oh.
Эй, ви шкрімте мен,
Эй, гринц, блядь, ну слова.
Got it, Rebecca. Woo! Woo!
Dapat tuh abang bononya yang besar, guys. Hah? Guys, ini dah.
Man! I want to run right in the middle of it and see what happens. It's getting close!
This guy's 3-day-old Lamborghini got completely destroyed during severe flooding in San Diego.
Brand new Lamborghini, only a couple hundred miles on it, under fucking water. Yeah.
A wild turkey broke into this guy's bedroom.
Adult turkey in our house. Flew through our window and broke. It's in my house. Oh, it's moving.
Driving in Australia is a lot more dangerous than you think.
Please give that large sea lion plenty of room. They have fit people and they are protected animals.
This guy was in the middle of a conference call when a squirrel suddenly attacked him.
Let's just get in to let's just get in via like
This is what it looks like to get slapped by a whale.
Ooh, is the bee? Stand still, stand still. Stand still. Stand still, stand still. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that! Oh my gosh, there's so many bees. There's so many bees.
This paraglider was coming in for a landing when he got ambushed by kangaroos.
What's up, Skip? Hey, back off! Back off! Go away! Ah.
Let my guard down for a second, man. That was fucked up.
Unbelievable.
These guys were out fishing for sailfish when this happened.
Dad, Dad.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my God.
He was warned not to pet the horse, but he did it anyway.
Olha o tamanho desse. Puta que pariu.
Oh my God, watch out!
Caralho, quase matou. Gente.
This elephant smelled food in the back of their truck and decided to help itself.
ดันรถอะแก้วถอยแก้วก็ถอยแก้วไปดิมันเอาเรื่องอะนะเป็นไรอะมันจะกินของกินในรถน่ะ
Oh
These guys had no idea how powerful the winds were that day.
Oh, she still got the camera. Oh, there's a bigger one coming. Oh my god, this way, come on. Oh my god, babe! Oh my god! I'm scared! I'm really scared! I'm scared! I'm really scared right now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're gonna die!
This snake was waiting outside for someone to let it in.
Put the window down.
Alex!
He's putting the window down.
Alex! Walk away!
Let's go in. Let's go in.
Okay.
Here it comes.
Okay. Go on. He's huge. Go on. Go on.
I'm gonna close this door.
Go on. Get.
I'm gonna punch your head in. Look at my dog. Hachi, not feeling so tough now, are you, dude? Where were you to save him? And you, look, I got freaking mauled.
These fishermen were heading back when a huge swell came out of nowhere.
He's over.
Thankfully, they all managed to make it back safely to the beach.
This is a perfect example of a lava flow. The heat, I would say it's what I'm feeling. I'm standing 20 feet away, about 130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's my crazy neighbor. Get away! Don't get so close. Would you get away from there?
Is it bulging?
It's gonna break.
What do we do?
Just move. Get back.
Ozzy, come.
This is what a sudden surge of gale force winds look like.
The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof everywhere. This piece of hail came through the roof. What the hell?
A truck forgot to turn on its hazard lights during a dust storm. This is what 45 knots during kite surfing looks like. They heard something strange coming from the glacier and went to check it out.
It looks like that's where it just happened. Oh, this thing is totally collapsing. It's just popping and buckling. Oh, wow. Man, when that whole thing goes, oh, here we go. Oh. Holy! Oh my God!
These skyscraper window washers got caught in a Miami storm. Luckily, nobody was harmed. This is a trained professional. Please do not attempt. The guy managed to escape completely unharmed.
Oh my God! What the fuck?
Oh, get out! Oh, God, leave! He's coming in! Oh, fuck. Brace yourself! Oh, she's gone.
These hikers were walking along a trail when they got caught in a landslide.
Ninguém anda. Nossa Senhora. Meu Deus! Ah, tudo que eu precisava. Olha isso!
This hiker came across 2 baby cougars and a very protective mom.
No! No! Go away! Go away! Please go away! No, go away! Go away! No! No! You, dude! Yeah, so that just happened. Wow.
No, no. No, no, no. No, no.
The guy was a little shaken up, but walked away without any injuries. This plane attempted to land 3 separate times, but failed due to extremely strong winds. The guy was a little scratched up, but suffered no serious injuries. These guys were fishing when they suddenly found themselves in the middle of an EF3 tornado.
Whoa. 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 We got a nader. We got a motherfucking nader. Hell yeah. That's where she is, baby. Ripping us. Rip it down. Yeah. Yeah! Whoa, baby! Whoa!
Impact at 9.0 feet. Several driveways and other minor roadways are affected. Water begins to enter some basements. Impact at 10.0 feet. High water isolates several houses. Impact at 12.0 feet. A number of secondary roads are closed, resulting in some evacuation. It's 14.0.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The wind speeds exceeded 75 miles per hour that day. These people were on board a cruise ship when a violent storm caused the ship to lose power. Everyone was eventually airlifted to safety. In 2023, a rogue wave tore through the beachfront in Ventura, damaging roads, cars, and nearby businesses.
Oh no! Oh! Oh! Jesus! God! God!
This guy found himself trapped inside his home during Hurricane Helene.
Oh, shoot. Oh, man. I'm losing it. My trailer's going. Oh, Oh man. Oh, this is scary, guys. Already called 911 and there's nothing they can do.
The humpback whale briefly swallowed this kayaker before spitting him out just a few seconds later.
¡Hey! Ya, vente, vente. Tranquilo, agarra el bote, agárralo, tranquilo, agárralo. Agárralo, agárralo, no te subas, agárralo.
He was completely unharmed. In 2022, these hikers got a little too close to an avalanche.
Oh dear God.
Luckily, they managed to take shelter and no one was harmed.
I see a big school out ahead of us.
These explorers were climbing an iceberg when this happened.
Oh putain, oh putain. Merde, vite, allez, vite, vite. Retourne dedans. Retourne dedans. C'est bon. Un bout, un bout. Vite, vite, vite. Allez, des enfants dedans.